This may happen on the oil market in next days. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to analyze the oil market and see if there are trading opportunities for the next days. We got a little bit of enthusiasm because investors are expecting the Opec to cut the production. This is why the price was pushed from 76 to 86.50, and tomorrow OPEC will make its decision. So we're gonna find out if this enthusiasm will be legit or not, or if delusion will take over. So we will see if buyers will be strong enough to push the price towards the night level, just between the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. I think that tomorrow will be a very interesting day for day traders. We'll look for a buy or a sell. So my advice is to keep an eye on this very interesting market, because I think there are interesting trading events coming up. So for today is everything. See you soon. Bye bye.